nearby the operating from and existing QRA will be reviewed. Accordingly, yes, okay. Now, transit service, no concern, no additional concern. Major risk is the road safety. Where is it? It has gone. So, I mean, do we know how many numbers of trucks or trailers we are going to move? I think more than 10,000 number.
So no, we have so far around 80 trailers.
80 trailers every day.
Every day?
No, the 80 trailers, they are assigned for this so far, and they will reach up to 100. And we have some other machineries, around 10 to 15 machineries. So we're talking about those 80 trailers, they are doing an average of 3 trips every day. So you're talking about
almost 300 trucks every day almost.
Almost 300.
And how many days?
It's 1 year.
It's 1 year.
1 year. So 300 into 400, 3 4 are 12, almost 120,000. Oh my goodness. Let me just do a rough calculation. 300 trips into 365, right? Right now.
Yeah.
Almost 100, how many? 109,500.
300,000.
My goodness. So you are